Hi everybody, it's Adrian Wells. 2022 is going to bring some amazing things for all of us. Everybody knows me as the cash flow queen. I've created a humongous empire of Airbnb turnkey properties where I serve celebrities, athletes, corporate clients, anybody and everybody, the who's who of Atlanta and all over the country. But then COVID hit and I lost everything. I mean, my husband passed away, I lost everything. But one thing about me, if you can look up, you can get up. And that's what I did. And you can do the same thing. So join me as I relaunch my How to Make Six Figures on Airbnb. Just listen to some people who've taken it before. You don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss out. I hope to see you at the class.
Really, because I like to build an empire. So I am so grateful to be able to have this experience. You have no idea. I have an MBA. This is like better than graduate school, honestly.